Welcome back to Diaper Days. Today, I'm walking you through a 7-day meal plan for babies aged 6 to 8 months. These meals are packed with nutrients, easy to digest, and perfect for starting solids the healthy way. Day 1. Breakfast, banana and avocado mash. Bananas give potassium for energy, and avocados provide healthy fats for brain development. Mash them until smooth and add breast milk for extra creaminess. Lunch, carrot puree. Steam carrots until soft and blend into a smooth puree. Great for eye health because it's rich in vitamin A. Dinner, rice cereal with breast milk or formula. Gentle on your baby's tummy. Perfect for the evening. Day 2. Breakfast, steamed apple puree. Steam for 5 minutes, then mash. Soft, sweet, and rich in fiber for digestion. Lunch, sweet potato mash. A filling, naturally sweet vegetable full of energy. Dinner, mashed green peas. Steam and mash. They're full of protein and iron for growth. Day 3. Breakfast, pear puree. Soothes digestion and helps with constipation. Lunch, pumpkin puree. Naturally creamy, packed with vitamins and minerals. Dinner, oats with formula or breast milk. Keeps your baby full overnight. Provides slow energy release. Day 4. Breakfast, mango puree, a delicious vitamin C boost to help absorb iron. Lunch, spinach and apple puree. The apple balances the taste while spinach adds iron. Dinner, mashed mung dal, yellow lentils. Soft, protein-rich, and easy to digest. Day 5. Breakfast, mashed papaya, a digestion-friendly tropical fruit. Lunch, broccoli puree, steamed to reduce bitterness, full of vitamin C and folate. Dinner, rice and carrot mash, a balanced mix of carbs and vitamins for the evening. Day 6. Breakfast, steamed pear and banana puree, high fiber and naturally sweet. Lunch, beetroot and potato mash. Bright color makes it fun, plus iron and energy in one meal. Dinner, ragi, finger millet, porridge, calcium-rich for strong bones. Day 7. Breakfast, mashed kiwi and banana. Vitamin C from kiwi helps absorb nutrients better. Lunch, lentil and pumpkin mash. Protein plus vitamins for energy and growth. Dinner, vegetable khichdi. Rice, lentils, and vegetables cooked together for balanced nutrition. Tips for the week. Introduce one new food at a time. Watch for allergies. Keep textures smooth for early stages. Make it slightly thicker as baby grows. Offer water in small sips after meals to help digestion. And that's your 7-day baby meal plan. Simple, nutritious, and baby approved. Don't forget to download our free printable meal planner in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, tap the like button, subscribe to Diaper Days, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a healthy baby recipe.